So if you are someone that doesn't know how to use gas.zip, let me show you how to use it. So if you want to get another kind of cryptocurrency, instead of just sending the money to Bybit or OKS or KuCoin and change it to the currency, I mean the token or the crypto you want to use, there is a way you can actually use it, like use gas.zip to actually maybe you want Solana, you want Ethereum, you want any type of coin, or maybe even if you want to buy a what we call test token that you use for projects. Let me show you how. Follow me, guys. This is gas.zip, guys. As you can see, gas.zip. Don't make any mistake. And as you can see, all chains are here. Over 195 chains. Okay, the ape coin, aptos, any type of token you can. So let me see if they have done. So I don't think they have done. So they don't have done, but they have the blockchain. And also let me check, they are going to have Solana. This is Solana. How about any USDT? So I don't think they have USDT right now. Just the top ones, as you can see, the BSC, the Eclipse, Ethereum, the Gravity token, the Hyperlink, Inch, the Lens, Manto, Optimism, Polygon, like everything like that. So this is for the mainnets. So here is the test nets. Let's just this is the test net. As you can see, there's a lot of the test nets. We have the Shoji Newton, we have the Ethereum Sepolia, the EOS test net, the Hyper VM, blah blah blah, Rise, AI test net. So we actually have everything right now. So let's say you want to buy Eclipse, which is on Solana ecosystem. Just select it right here. So after you select it, it's going to show right now. So amount per chain, like amount, which amount, how many amount, I mean, what amount do you want to buy? So let's say you want to buy $10, you'll click on $10 and you can decide to customize these. Okay, so let's say you want to buy $30 worth of Eclipse right now, because that is how I was be able to change my convert my Arbitrum to Eclipse, because when I want to fund these this thing we are farming right here, when I was trying to form this thing we are farming right here, I have to use this. Now when you get to this inbound chain, you are going to select which wallet you want to use. Maybe you want to use your base. Maybe you have base, if you have a bit layer, blast, or any of these tokens. So these are the token they accept, which you can exchange for anything. Okay, as you can see, you can exchange, say you can exchange Solana. We have the Sonium, we have the story, the superposition, supersede, any kind of token is right here. So you can Arbitrum if you have base. So just connect your wallet. After you connect the wallet you are going to use, after you connect the wallet you are going to use, come in, input your password. So after inputting your password, it's going to show what is inside your wallet, the amount that is inside your wallet, and on which chain. So let's say that I have money in my Mode wallet. Okay, let's say I have money in my Mode wallet right now. Let me click on it. I just want to use it as an example. Let's say I have money in my Mode wallet right now. As you can see, I've switched this network to Mode. You can switch it to any network. If it is Solana, you can collect your Phantom wallet. So what is the address? Is the address you want to send it to? I want to send it to my Solana wallet, which is right now right here. So I'm going to just input. So that means even if it is the wallet, just make sure you copy the address. So I'm going to copy this address and paste it inside here. As you can see, now I'm going to click on send. Okay, I'm going to click on send. So it's going to deduct money from my the Mode chain, and it's going to send it into here. As you can see, check it very well and make sure you're okay with the price. Okay, you can decide to check the price of ETH when you want to send the wallet, and if it pays you, because it normally pays me for very well. And there is another platform that I normally use back then. It is called, I think it is change. It is called, let me see, change. It is change. I don't know, but gas.zip is okay. So that is how to use gas or zip to get any cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching. And for my boss, the crypt that asked the question, I think you should know how to use it for now. So it's almost easier to use. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.